Hiring managers, are you smelling fear in a candidate during the interview process? And why do you want to pay attention to this? Anytime a decision is based on fear, it will take us further from where we want to go. And if your candidate is showing signs of fear in the interview process, they are likely basing some of their other decisions on fear. Maybe fear a better opportunity won't come, maybe fear that they won't get moved forward in the interview process. And if fear is influencing their actions, including maybe how they answer their interview questions, where else are they making decisions based on fear? Anytime we're basing our decisions on fear, it's a sign that we don't have our priorities straight. And when we don't have our priorities straight, we likely don't have a high level of self and social awareness, and we have challenges making the right decisions. So if you have a candidate that you're noticing is showing signs of fear in the interview process, you want to pay attention, you want to dig deeper there before deciding to move forward. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you got some value from the video, and until the next one, happy hiring.